Class 7, we are going to start with the algebra portion, and first the chapter is revision of previous lesson. That means whatever you have done in class 6 algebra portion, here the first chapter contains all sum related to revision of class 6 syllabus. So we are going to start off with the first exercise, that is exercise 1, objective part. Now, objective part contains questions like fill in the blanks, number 1, number 2, true and false, number 3, express with the help of algebraic sign, number 4, write in words. So all this you have done in class 6, it is just basic revision. So exercise 1, we are starting with objective type questions. Now first is fill in the blanks. Now I would like you all to follow the book as I do the sums. Now fill in the blanks. The first question, 5 times x is equal to 5 times x is equal to dash. So in algebra, times means multiplication. So 5 times x means 5 into x. So the answer will be 5x. B, 1/5 of y is equal to. So here the word form is given. You have to just convert into algebraic expression form and write. 1/5 means 1/5. Of y means, of means multiply to y. Now what will happen? 1 into y will give you y back, because 1 into any number gives you the number itself. So 1 into y will be y divided by 5. So here the answer will be y by 5. C, the product of two numbers. So the product means the multiplied value of two numbers. We don't know the two numbers, is x. If one of them means if one of the number is y, then other number is So the product of two numbers is given. So we will solve the fill in the blanks just down to it. The product of two numbers, we don't know of the numbers. So when you multiply these two numbers, the product is giving you x as the result. If one of them is y, that means one of the number is y. So out of the two numbers, we don't know, that's why we have given question mark. We now come to know that one of the number is y. Then the other number is, that means what will be the other unknown number. So how to find out the unknown? We keep the unknown on one side and take the known values to the other side. Here the known values are not given in the form of numbers, but it is given in the form of letters. So the unknown number will be, take all the letters to that side. X is already given on right hand side and y is multiplied this side. When it changes side, it becomes divided by. So the other number will be x by y. Now going to the D part of the fill in the blanks. If price of one book is rupees A, so price of one book is given to you is equal to rupees A. So here no number is given, rupees 2, rupees 20, not like that. But instead of arithmetic numerical value, here letters are given because it is based on algebra. Then the price of B books is, B refers to the number of books. So you all know that in unitary method, what do we do? If we know the price of one book, then no matter how many book is given, if you multiply with the number of books, its price, you get its value. For example, suppose price of one book is rupees 12 given. Then what is the price of 5 books? So whatever is the price of one book, with that you multiply the number of books and you get the value 60. Same thing, here number is not given. What is given? Price of one book is rupees A. It is given in the form of letter. Then the price of B books means price of B number of books will be how much? It is equal to rupees price of one book into how many number of book is there? B, which is equal to rupees. When you multiply the letters, you can write in algebra AB. So it will be rupees AB. Number E. The sum of two numbers is 22. So you don't know the numbers and the sum of two numbers is given. It is equal to 22. If one of them is X. So if one of the number is X, out of the two unknown we got one is known value. Then what is the other number? So what will be this other number? How will you find the other number? So you will keep the unknown on one side and shift on the known to the other side. So 22 is the total added value. One of the number is X, which is added this side. When it changes side, it becomes minus X. So from 22, the added value, if you subtract the known number, that will tell you or give you the other number. So the other number will be 22 minus X. Next, 4 less than 3/7 of P. You all have done conversion from word form to algebraic expression. Same thing here also, the word form or sentence form is given. You have to understand and convert it into algebraic expression. 4 less than means 4 has to be subtracted. From where? 3/7 of P. Now how do you write 3/7 of P? 3/7 means it's a fraction. 3/7 of P means multiplied to P. From there you need to subtract 4, which is equal to how much? 3 into P. On top it will give you 3P by 7 minus 4. So this is the answer. 3P minus 7 by 7 minus 4. Next part. Number G. Value of X is not less than 30. So when a negative sentence is given not less than, so how will you write? X. What is the sign of less than? X less than 30. We write like this. But here what is given? X is not less than 30. So here you will just cancel the less than sign. So X not less than 30 in algebra is written like this. First you give the less than sign and it is giving you a negative sentence. It is not less than, so you cancel the less than sign. So X not less than 30. It will be written in algebraic expression like this. Value of X is greater than 16. Now this is very easy. You have to write in algebraic expression means with the help of symbols. Value of X means whatever is X that is greater than 16. How you write the greater than sign? So X is greater than 16. Then next fill in the blanks. Now this you have to understand. if a is a natural number, so natural number, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all are natural numbers. So if a is a natural number, then the general form of two natural numbers equidistant from a are dash and dash. Equidistant means on both the side same distance. That means you have to add or subtract the same numbers in order to get the equidistant natural numbers. For example, suppose I am taking 12. So if I subtract 1 from 12, 12 minus 1, it gives me 11. And if I do 12 plus 1, it gives me 13. So what I am doing, 12 I am taking as the middle number, and I am finding two numbers which are equidistant from 12. So 11 is equidistant from 12 because 11 plus only 1 gives you 12. In the same way, 12 and 13 are equidistant because 12, again with 12, if you add 1, it gives you 13. So 11, if you add only 1, it gives you 12. And with 12, if you add 1, it gives you 13. So these are equidistant numbers. Same thing, if from 12, if I subtract 2, then I get 10. And with 12, if I add 2, I get 14. So 10, 12 and 14 are equidistant numbers because 10 plus 2 gives you 12, 12 plus 2 gives you 14. Okay, so what we are doing in order to find equidistant numbers, we have to subtract and add the same numbers with the given number. So with the given number, if I subtract 1, I need to add 1 to get the two equidistant number from 12. Same thing, you can subtract anything, but whatever you will subtract with 12, you need to add the same value with 12 in order to get the three equidistant number. So here the same thing is asked. Instead of 12, what is the number given? A. So if I have to find equidistant numbers, so I have to do a minus 1, and same way I need to add the same number. So whatever you subtract, you add the same thing. If I do a minus 2, I have to do a plus 2 in order to find equidistant number. So the number can be anything, but whatever you subtract, you have to add with that. So in general form means I have to take, instead of number, I have to take, I am symbolizing it as n. So the two equidistant number will be with the natural number. If I subtract any number, I have to add with a the same number in order to get the two equidistant values. So a minus n and a plus n. This is the answer. Then moving to the next part. 5 years ago, that means previous 5 years from now, from the present, Ram's age was X years. So before 5 years, his age was X years. What is your question? After 5 years, what will be his age? So before 5 years, if his age was X, what is his present age? He has grown 5 years older. So now his present age will be X plus 5. Mind it, X is the age which he was having before 5 years. So what happened now? Now he is 5 years older than before. So now his age is X plus 5. And the question is, what will be his age after 5 years? So after 5 years, what will be his age from now? You need to add again 5. Explaining this once more. 5 years before, his age was X years. But now his age has increased. He is not of same age. So how many years have it increased? His present age will be how much? Now his age will be X plus 5. And after 5 years, what will be his age? His age will again increase by 5 years. So it will be again plus 5. So his age will be X plus 10 years. So here we come to the end of fill in the blanks portion, and I will suggest all of you to follow the book and follow the video and do the fill in the blanks in your classwork copy.